Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk again about a platform or a tool we have used before. This platform or tool is Quizizz. As you know, Quizizz is a platform or website that helps us to create from scratch assessments or worksheets, and also we can use its library. It's a huge library which give us pre-made assessments made by the website or by another teachers who share their work. Also, we will talk about this big library updates. It's now easy to find and faster and more helpful. The third thing we will talk about is the new way to sign up and log in. It's now more easier to use for teachers and for students. And also, of course, the huge update about artificial intelligence. Now we can make assessments by one click. Just give Quizizz the topic, and it will help you make an assessment or worksheet or exam in just 1 second, like what we will see now. First, we talk about this sign up and login. We will go Quizizz, search in Google Quizizz. It will be the first choice. Yeah, here it's our first choice. We will go here and go down and sign up for free for teachers. We have three ways or three rules we can use Quizizz with. Student who will practice the assessments or play the games given by Quizizz, and teacher who will make these assessments, and also admins. We will talk today about only teachers. We will sign up for free. The new easy way to make your account is continue with Google or any email or Microsoft, Facebook, Apple, just by one click. If I choose now continue with Google, it automatically will detect my email, which is installed in my computer, and it will just one click. Now, as you see, our account is just made by just one or two clicks. This is our account. At the first time you log to the website, it will give you a brief about the way the website will work. Now we can make assessments, we can make lessons. Assessments is just few questions, and lessons, of course, we talked about this before. Now we will talk about only the new things. We can make assessments. We can make multiple choice, passages, fill in blanks. These are the free tools here. Also, we can draw open-ended questions, poll, word cloud. All these we have already talked about before. These things are in only primary accounts. You have to be premium user to use these options, but I believe that the free is more than enough. Now we will talk about the second new thing, which is the new huge library. Now we can go to explore and search here for anything we need. Maybe animal cell, for example. We will have a pre-made assessments and lessons we can use. This is free. We are not taking anybody's work. This is free. The man or the woman who made this, the teachers who made this, is after they made it public to be reused. Maybe we choose this one, animal cells, for 7th grade. It's about 14 questions. We will take it, just one click, and it's ours. Now we can edit it. This is the questions, our 14 questions. What do all animals have in common? This is the right answer, and we can use it as our assignment or assessments. We can now copy and edit the questions, add more choices, change question, add, delete, anything you can do. This is the new library after updates. We go again to, of course, we talked about this before, how to use it and edit it and then publish and give it to our students. We'll go to the main. Now we have, this is trending. You see, this one is just played 779,000 time. This is used more than 700,000 times. We can use assessments, ready assessments. These two, here in all subjects, we can go down and choose our subjects: mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, in any field we need. Then we can use ready lessons, also made by creative teachers, and we can search here in any language. We can use any language and we will find Arabic, French, English, anything. This is the second new update. The last and the best, in my opinion, update is using artificial intelligence in making very fast and very effective assessments. We will choose assessment, then it will give us new 3 options. Before we had just these 2 options: create from scratch. It will give us empty page and we start to write our assessments, or upload it from a worksheet, or copy it from another Word or PowerPoint. And we had also before import worksheets and the questions. We can get it from Google Form. If we have already Google Form or spreadsheets, we can import our questions directly. The new feature is generate with AI. This is the new feature, the amazing feature. If we choose here generate with AI, we can upload a document, PDF file or document file or PNG file, JPG file, any kind of document. Include this document will have the material, our material, presentation, PowerPoint, document, and it will analyze, artificial intelligence will analyze the material and give me questions about this material. We have text prompt. We can only type, just type what we need to make about. We can give it website and it will analyze it and give us a few questions about this website. We can give it a YouTube video. This is beta. This is just been added, so it's just beta trial now. We can add a YouTube video and it will generate questions from this YouTube video. We will try the text prompt. We will here write, give me about animal cell. Sorry, animal cell. Only that. We can use output language, it's English, and we can use choose the number of questions. I need just 10 questions. We will use our subject and grade. We'll use it in science, of course. This is about cells, and this is the best thing. We can choose the grade. When you choose the grade, the AI will analyze and give you the suitable questions for this grade. We will try it now. We will choose maybe 4th grade, and we will just click continue, and we will just wait for few seconds. Okay, he here asked me to make it more specific. I can use subtopics to make it specific. What exactly you need about what is the main topic you need about. Okay, I will only cell membranes structure and mitochondria function. That's all. Generate quiz. Now we just wait for 1 minute or 2, and it will give us the pre-made assessment, just about maybe 20 seconds. He gave it to us. The first question, he gave me what is the main function of the cell membrane, and there is 3 options, and this is the main, this is the four options, and this is the right one, and give it to me. It's about 30 seconds. He will give the students 30 seconds, and it will give them 1 point. That's all. No, we can convert it, fix grammatical errors, all this with AI. We can change it, we can edit it, we can add images, and this is our 10 questions, and in just 20 seconds, and then just publish, and it's now in our library. If I go to my library now, I will go now to my library here, and this is my new assessment. It's ready to be played with students in the class, or given to them as a class, as a homework. This is 10 questions for 4th grade in science. We will make it again quickly. Create assessment, generate with AI, and we will go to text or prompt and make it this time about vitamins. I didn't change anything. I just add vitamins, and we will wait for half minute maybe. And now our assessment is ready. Also 12 questions. I didn't change, so he made it 12 questions, and I can edit it anytime. When I finish, I can preview. It will be like this. When I give it to my students, it will be like this. When I choose, it will be like this. This is the first question, second question, and of course you know about this wonderful tool we used before, and now it becomes more easy and more efficient, and you can make it in seconds. The teacher can make assessments in seconds by material he had, or website, or YouTube, using artificial intelligence. I hope you the best luck and good work at your schools.